Hello friends, how are you today? Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC red seal practice questions. This is now multiple choice set 40. Okay, number 1. The cooling capacity of an evaporator is affected by which of the following factors? A. Low side saturation pressure. B. High side saturation pressure. C. Evaporator superheat. Or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. An evaporator has, number 2, an evaporator has a pressure drop of 10 psig and a low side pressure of 15 psig. What is the pressure at the evaporator inlet? So A 15 psig, B 25 psig, C 30 psig, or D 5 psig. Correct answer is B 25 psig. So just add the 10 psig and the 15 psig. 10 plus 15 equals 25. Okay, number 3. An evaporator has frozen up with excessive ice formation. What would you check? A. Broken evaporator fan motor. B. Defrost time too short. C. Defrost heater not working. Or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Any of the three can be a possible problem in that scenario. Number 4. What is the evaporator temperature of a typical air conditioning system? A. 10 to 20 Fahrenheit. B. 40 to 50 Fahrenheit. C. 20 to 30 Fahrenheit. Or D. 30 to 35 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is B. 50 to 40 to 50 Fahrenheit evaporator temperature. Number 5. A home refrigerator is used for storing fresh foods such as fruits and vegetables. It operates at an evaporator coil temperature of 35 Fahrenheit. This temperature is classified as A. High temperature, B. Medium temperature, or C. Low temperature. Correct answer is A. High temperature. And I'm gonna provide an explanation later on in this video. Number 6. A residential freezer stores frozen foods such as frozen meat and fish. It operates at an evaporator coil temperature of -5 Fahrenheit. This temperature is classified as A. High temperature, B. Medium temperature, or C. Low temperature. The answer is C. Low temperature. Yes, for average freezers, they are considered low temperatures. Number 7, a walk-in cooler has an evaporator coil temperature of 21 Fahrenheit or -6 Celsius. This walk-in cooler is an example of A. High temperature, B. Medium temperature, or C. Low temperature system. Correct answer is B. Medium temperature. So this is the typical temperature ranges for refrigeration and air conditioning. For high temperature, it's temperatures above 32 Fahrenheit or 0 Celsius. Typical is 25 Fahrenheit to 45 Fahrenheit or -4 Celsius to 7 Celsius. Evaporator temperature. That's the temperature of the evaporator coil. So for high temperature is typically above 32 Fahrenheit, which is the melting point of water. Okay. Medium temperature systems. So from 0 Fahrenheit to 25 Fahrenheit or from -18 Celsius to -4 Celsius evaporator temperature. That's the temperature of the coil of the evaporator. An example of medium temperature is for typical walk-in coolers. Low temperature, below 0 Fahrenheit or -18 Celsius evaporator temperature, just the temperature of the evaporator coil. Typical example of a low temperature system is your freezer in your home. The meat freezer is an example of a low temperature system. All right, moving on to number 8. What is the typical evaporator superheat for medium temperature refrigeration systems? A. 2 to 5 degrees, B. 8 to 12 degrees, C. 16 to 20 degrees, or 20 to 25 degrees. Correct answer is B. 8 to 12 degrees. In some research, they say 8 to 10 degrees, but 8 to 12, 8 to 10 is a good typical evaporator superheat. Number 9, for a typical walk-in cooler, general rule of thumb is that the evaporator temperature should be blank colder than the box temperature. A. 8 to 15 Fahrenheit, B. 2 to 5 Fahrenheit, C. 16 to 20 Fahrenheit, D. 21 to 25 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is A. 8 to 15 Fahrenheit. Okay, that's the last question. So hope you found this video useful. Good luck in your red seal review and your exam. Hoping for your success and eventually getting your red seal license. Okay, so till the next video, cheers and have a good one.